saw you filming it.
So?
What's going on?
Is there a crime?
I'm just trying to see what's going on here.
Is there a crime?
Like, I think you're suspicious. I'm investigating for involved in the fire.
Is suspicious a felony or misdemeanor?
You're talking American. We're not in America.
Is that a misdemeanor or a felony?
Hamilton officers detained a citizen solely for filming a house fire from his vehicle, labeling him suspicious based on a firefighter's report despite no evidence of wrongdoing. Under Section 9 of the Canadian Charter of Rights and Freedoms, everyone has the right not to be arbitrarily detained or imprisoned, rendering the stop unlawful without reasonable grounds tied to a specific offense. The interaction escalated when the driver refused to provide identification, correctly asserting that suspicion alone does not justify demands under provincial laws like Ontario's Highway Traffic Act, which requires ID only for driving-related infractions. Officers admitted it was not a traffic stop, yet persisted, ignoring that mere proximity to a scene shared by numerous onlookers fails to meet the threshold of articulable cause required by RV Man 2004 SCC 52. This overreach wasted public resources and violated the driver's mobility rights, highlighting how ignorance of charter protections turns routine curiosity into fabricated criminality.
Hey there, sir.
Hey.
Hey, how's it going?
Good, I'd like to leave.
Okay, yeah. You realize you can't be driving with your...
Am I driving?
Well, you got the keys in the car, it's on, it's operating. It is technically still driving.
Oh, you're one of those, eh?
Okay. You're filming the fire? What's going on?
I'm trying to leave.
Okay, you're trying to leave, but you were down there facing the fire. It was reported that people saw you filming it.
So?
What's going on?
Is there a crime?
I'm just trying to see what's going on here.
Is there a crime?
Yeah.
Didn't think so.
Okay, well, you don't have to be lippy.
Why am I being stopped here?
We're just trying to ascertain and figure out what's going on here, and you're just giving me attitude right now.
Okay, so why can't I leave?
You can be cooperative and just say, hey, I was here and I wanted to see the fire.
Does it matter? Why does it matter?
Yeah, so firefighters thought you were being suspicious and might have some involvement with the fire. We found out in the vehicle. I need to see your license.
No.
I'm not asking you. I'm involved.
It's not a traffic stop.
I am stopping you at a traffic
It's
stop.
not a traffic stop.
Here.
It's not a traffic stop, but nice try. Call your supervisor.
Supervisor's here.
Okay.
He's gonna come, but there's no world where you come here. Like, I think you're suspicious. I'm investigating for involved in the fire.
Is suspicious a felony or misdemeanor?
You're talking American. We're not in America.
Is that a misdemeanor or a felony, being suspicious?
You're totally talking American.
That's not American. It's not American.
There's no world where I don't get your identification right now.
That's not happening.
You're not.
You can't stop somebody for no crime.
I'm not stopping you for the car. I'm stopping you because firefighter thought you were being suspicious around the fire, and I spoke with him. I believe him, and I'm identifying.
And what does suspicious matter?
Pardon?
What does suspicious matter?
Suspicion gives us a reason.
Okay. Am I being detained?
Yes.
For what?
I'm investigating a fire right now.
For what crime?
An arson.
Okay. Well, I wasn't part of it, was I?
That's what I'm investigating.
Okay. Well, you're not getting my license or nothing without a crime, so...
I just told it to you, my friend.
Yeah? Am I free to go?
No.
No, I'm not free to go.
No. I'm investigating a fire and you're my suspect right now.
Okay. Too bad. You can't stop by somebody for no crime, bud. Like,
I'm investigating you for
whether it's American or Canadian or whatever.
Acting suspicious around the house.
Because I parked for a minute?
No, the firefighter. This is what the firefighter came and told me, my friend.
Well, I have the whole thing on video, so.
Okay, I believe you. I know that.
Yeah. So now what?
He asked you for your identification.
You can't stop somebody for no crime.
There's clearly an arson or a fire here.
All right. Are you going to be tyrants and rip me out of my car?
You let me know the RO name of that vehicle. Right, turn around. That works. Does anyone have MTO by chance? Like, send me a photo.
Stop for taking pictures, guys. You're live, by the way, on YouTube.
Okay.
that we're off road holding. Firefighter's not exactly suspicious around the fire, might be involved. He's in the vehicle right now, he's just refusing to identify.
You guys are gonna be famous. I love it. Thank you for the content. I appreciate that.
Not very exciting.
Yeah, well, I thought it is. Oh, can I also get both your names and badge numbers, please?
Badge 1397.
Shippy 1772.
Thank you very much. Am I free to go?
Nope.
No.
Still detained for what crime?
An arson on investigating a fire.
My next stop's going to be to Central Station for complaints against both of you.
It's fine.
Okay.
It's called luck. If you don't want to worry about the drive, you can do it online.
Oh, I'll drive right down there. And this is your tax dollars hard at work, guys.
I don't want to be here.
Right here.
It's you're that extending our time.
Look at these clowns. 1 and 2. Nothing better to do. Come here to take pictures and they're like, oh, now you're suspicious. Because you just happen to be there taking pictures. $100 says if Global News or CHCH were here, you wouldn't even look at them, would you?
Nope.
Didn't think so.
It's all on the call. Yeah.
Dude with the camera, he's so suspicious. What are we doing here?
Well, we got to identify you and confirm your ID, and you're not helping us. You're not surrendering your ID to confirm, so we're going to confirm your ID. We got to do it by other means.
Yeah, because you know you can't just stop somebody randomly for no crime.
What's being said?
That's why.
Investigating arson. You're a suspicious person in the area.
What about these guys?
Stop you
They're
and
not suspicious?
identify you.
They're in the area. They're in the area. Are they suspicious?
Down at the intersection.
Look at all these people. Why is nobody else suspicious? Huh? That's a good answer. Suspicious, but a guy driving is suspicious. Taking pictures. Suspicious. There you go. I guess this guy's standing behind me, not suspicious.
Sure. Go ahead. There you go, 1010, go 2314. Go ahead. You want to just bring your passenger to the front lobby. That's great, thanks. How far?
I think it's going to come.
So concerned for their safety too, eh? They're just sitting there, nothing better to do. Taking a picture. Am I good to go, or what are we doing?
Okay, I've confirmed your identity. You're free to leave.
So, yeah, wasting time.
I wasn't.
Thanks, you fucking clown. Fucking tyrant! Tyrant number 1, 2, and 3.
Despite confirming no involvement in the arson, police insisted on verifying the driver's identity through alternative means after he declined to surrender his license. Section 2(b) of Ontario's Compulsory Automobile Insurance Act mandates identification only during valid traffic enforcement, not investigative fishing expeditions unsupported by probable cause of impairment or violation. The officer's threat of extraction from the vehicle echoed unlawful arrest tactics, as no criminal code section such as 495 for arrest without warrant applied without belief in indictable offense commission. Badges 1,397 and 1,772 along with a supervisor doubled down on suspicion equated to detention for arson investigation. Yet Canadian jurisprudence in R.V. Grant 2009 SCC 32 demands objective reasonableness, absent here amid a crowd of non-suspect spectators. Ultimately released after external ID confirmation, the encounter exposed tyrannical enforcement detached from legal realities, where tax dollars hard at work fund baseless harassment, rather than public safety. Like and subscribe for more police cam stories. Watch the next recommended video, click to watch now.